Hi, this is Chris Sullivan with ConcreteNetwork.com. When it comes to quarter-inch stampable overlay, pioneer in the industry is Concrete Solutions. I'm with Bart Sadler, Vice President with Concrete Solutions. Bart, tell me briefly, what is the stampable overlay product?
Thank you, Chris. The Ultra Surface quarter-inch stamped overlay is something that we pioneered and developed back in 1997. We were the first in the industry to introduce it. It's basically a really high decorative, stampable finish. Looks like regular stamped concrete, but in an overlay.
Okay. And how's the product put down? Just walk me through the steps briefly in terms of application.
Okay, first of all, we have a bond coat. It's a wet polymer, high concentrated polymer bond coat. That is applied first with a metal squeegee. We then rake it with a gauge rake, measuring it quarter-inch thick, and then we let it set up and stamp it.
Okay. Now, what about moisture issues? Because that's a big deal with toppings and coatings. Do you have a product that deals with that?
Besides the recommended standard preparation, surface preparation, we recommend, we have a system, an alternate system if you have a moisture problem, of applying our 200 epoxy penetrating 100% solids epoxy that grabs onto the concrete, and we broadcast a dry Monterey sand into that. Okay. And then we cover that with the bond coat and the dryer stamping mix.
Great. What kind of color options do your applicators have when it comes to the stampable overlay?
We have many colors, and we intricately color them, so with time, if proper maintenance isn't maintained, then you can just come back and reseal it and the color pops out. The problem with colored stains and other things is when you have a wear pattern, you'll see the white base underneath. And most people, to be honest, don't maintain it the way that they should.
So who's the target audience? Who is using this product and what types of applications?
It's a huge commercial application, hotels, restaurants, and places like that, but it is for the residential home as well.
Okay. And maintenance. What type of sealers and maintenance are we talking about for the stampable overlay?
Usually you want to use a solvent-based acrylic sealer first, or an acrylic urethane, and that should be maintained every 2 or 3 years. For interior applications, though, you want to put like a floor finish or a wax on it, and by maintaining that, you'll never have to reseal.
So tell us again the name of the product, and how can people find out more information about it? How can they find out information about Concrete Solutions?
Very well. The product is Ultra Surface quarter-inch stamping system, and it can be found on www.concretesolutions.com.
There you have it. When it comes to quarter-inch or stampable overlay materials, the pioneer in the industry, Concrete Solutions.